Now let's watch the whole episode together. Look at the subtitles carefully. Listen out for the language points that we've learned together, okay? Enjoy your viewing. Hello and welcome to English Today. My name's Louise and I will be your English teacher. Now with this new multimedia course, you really will learn the English language and you'll have fun. Learning English with English Today is easy, just like watching television. Now, in every DVD, you will see some programs led by our presenters Lucy Ross and Eric Brown about cinema, music, sport, the weather, travel, as well as cooking and the news, just like a real TV network. And along with these programs, you can also enjoy our story, That's Life, which tells the adventures of 5 young flatmates. Now, in each TV program, there will also be an English language lesson. We'll take you through a full immersion course, which will help you learn the language step by step in an enjoyable and stimulating way. A really innovative method where you are at the center of the learning process. So, are you ready to look at today's programs? Now, in this DVD, you'll see 3 episodes of our story, That's Life, and then 2 special TV programs. The first, Welcome to the Team. The second, an interview about the famous star, George Clooney. Then after, in the grammar section, we'll study the verb to be, question words, the alphabet, and possessive adjectives. Okay? Well, enjoy your studying and have fun. Bye.